please our channel, okay?
Okay, hello my dear students. Welcome to Men in Black channel. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. And if you have any question, please let us know. So today this is the second lesson of C1. So we are going to teach you past perfect continuous tense. If there is a continuous, it must be ing. It's very simple. Ashkan,
Yes.
come.
Evet arkadaşlar, merhaba, kanalımıza hoş geldiniz. Lütfen abone olmayı ve bildirim butonlarınızı açmayı unutmayınız arkadaşlar. Geçen hafta sizlerle present perfect continuous tense'i işledik. Bu hafta onun geçmişi past perfect continuous tense'i işleyeceğiz arkadaşlar. Geçen hafta yapmaktayım, etmekteyim gibi olan cümle yapısı şimdi yapmaktaydım, etmekteydim gibi cümleler yani geçmiş zamana dönüşecek. Biz de bunu past perfect continuous tense'te göreceğiz arkadaşlar. Yani devam eden mişli geçmiş zamanda diyebiliriz arkadaşlar Türkçe'de. Şöyle go ahead.
Yes, let's start with positive. Subject had plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, we had been playing tennis. Second example, they had been waiting for 10 minutes.
Evet arkadaşlar, olumlu yapısının kurallarına bakalım. İlk olarak özne had been verb ing nesne. Örneğimize bakalım. We had been playing tennis. Tenis oynamaktaydık. Gördüğünüz gibi geçmişin geçmişi. They had been waiting for 10 minutes. Go ahead.
Okay, negative. Subject plus had not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Just you will put not, that's it. Example, we had not been playing tennis. They had not been waiting for 10 minutes.
Evet arkadaşlar, negatif formunda ise yapmanız gereken sadece not olumsuzluk ekini eklemek. Özne had not been verb ing nesne. Örneklerimize bakıyoruz. We had not been playing tennis. They had not been waiting for 10 minutes.
And the
Go ahead with question 4.
Had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus question mark. Example, had we been playing tennis? Question mark.
Yep.
Had they been waiting for 10 minutes? Question mark.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar soru formuna bakalım. Had bu sefer cümlenin başına geliyor. Özne been verb ing plus question mark. You guys should put it. Question mark. Has we been playing tennis? Question mark. Had they been waiting for 10 minutes? Question mark.
Yes. So you see in past perfect continuous tense how to make positive, negative and question mark. But we always say the most important things about the tense is that where you use it. So uses you will say a action is started in past, continued in past and finished in past.
Perfect. Evet arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi past perfect continuous tense'de mişli geçmiş zamanda olumlu, olumsuz ve soru formunu gördüğünüz Şare'nin anlattığı gibi bizler bu konuyu nerede kullanıyoruz? Arkadaşlar gördüğünüz gibi geçmişte başlayan bir eylem var, geçmişte devam eden bir eylem var ve geçmişte biten bir eylem var. Bizler biraz karmaşık gelebilir ama mantık olarak çok basit. Sonra tekrar ederek öğrenebilirsiniz. Şarek.
Yeah. So you understand? If not, let me make you very clear. In present perfect continuous tense, action is started in past but still it's going on. Started in past is going on. In past perfect continuous, started in past, continued in past and finished in past. If it is hard, let me make you clear with a diagram. For example, you see past, now future. Now means present. So you see someone started walking in past, he continued in past and finished in past. So this is past perfect continuous tense.
Perfect arkadaşlar, Şare'nin anlattığı gibi geçmişte başlıyor, geçmişte devam ediyor ve geçmişte bitiyor. Past perfect continuous tense. Şarek, what's the next?
Now you guys gonna see time expression in past perfect continuous, WH question and some examples.
Evet arkadaşlar, zaman ifadelerini, WH question'ları ve örneklerle devam ediyoruz past perfect continuous tense'e.
Okay, now you're gonna see time expression, WH question and some examples.
Evet arkadaşlar, past perfect continuous tense'in zaman ifadeleri, double H soruları ve örneklerine bakıyoruz. Zaman ifadeleri for, since, how long, etc. Go ahead.
Exactly. So time expression we use for, since, and how long. How long we also use in present perfect continuous. For example, how long you have been living in Ankara or in Turkey or in Istanbul
country.
or London, like this, yeah. So next WH question, like we give WH question in all the tenses. For example, where had I been working? Second example, how long had you been sleeping?
Where had I been working? How long had you been sleeping?
You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Examples. I had been working hard all day.
Örneklere bakıyoruz. I had been working hard all day.
Yes. So you understand that don't get confused in past perfect continuous and present perfect continuous. I repeat again. Present perfect continuous action is started in past but still is going on. But in past perfect continuous tense, action is started in past, continued in past, and finished in past. For example, if I am saying to Ashkar now, I had been working hard all day. It means all the day. Now I finish it. I mean, it's done. Like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 1 hour ago, I started the action in the morning. Is continued. Maybe I finished in afternoon. But now I'm saying to him.
Great job. Thank you so much for it. Evet arkadaşlar, Şarek diyor ki present perfect tense ile present perfect continuous tense ile past perfect continuous tense arasındaki fark. Present perfect continuous tense geçmişte başlayan, hala devam eden, past perfect continuous tense ise geçmişte başlayan, geçmişte devam eden ve geçmişte biten olaylardır arkadaşlar. Bizler buna past perfect continuous tense. Am I clear? What do you think?
Very clear.
Thank you so much for it.
Very clear.
Örneklerimize baktık. I had been working hard all day. She had not been running for half an hour. Repeat after me.
Yeah. She had not been running for half an hour.
Go ahead.
Another example. The crow had been flying in the sky.
The crew has been flying in the sky.
Yes. And the last example, we had been studying since morning.
We had been studying since morning.
Yes. So this
What's
was
next?
this was the past perfect continuous tense in level C1. The first lesson was present perfect continuous tense. Second, past perfect continuous tense. Now, thank you so much for watching us. If you have any question, anything, let us know and see you in the next lesson. Plus, don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Evet arkadaşlar, C1 seviyesinin ikinci videosunu bitirdik. Bir de ne yapmıştık? Present perfect continuous tense'i yaptık. Doğru mu? Şarek?
Doğru.
İkincide past perfect continuous tense'i sizlerle işledik. Arkadaşlar, videomuzu izlediğiniz için çok teşekkür ederiz. Lütfen en önemlisi abone olmayı ve bildirim butonlarınızı açmayı unutmayınız ve aklınıza takılan herhangi bir konu varsa lütfen yorumlar kısmında belirtiniz. Bizler çözmeye çalışalım, değil mi hocam?
Doğru.
Have a nice day, guys.